Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. 5 principles to become a millionaire in 2024. If you're ready to level up your financial game, then stay tuned because we're about to share some valuable insights that can change your life. Let's dive right in. Principle number 1. Create multiple streams of income. Gone are the days of relying on a single paycheck. By diversifying your portfolio with different types of businesses, investments, and passive income opportunities, you can reduce your risk and increase your earning potential. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Moving on to principle number 2, invest in yourself. You are your most valuable asset. By investing in your education, skills, and personal development, you can continuously grow and offer more to the market. Take courses, read books, attend events, and network with like-minded individuals. The more you invest in yourself, the more you can charge for your services or products. Principle number 3, provide value to others. Money flows where value is provided. To make money, you need to solve problems for others and offer solutions that exceed their expectations. Find out what your target audience needs, wants, or desires, and create products or services that meet those needs. Remember, quality over quantity, and always over-deliver on your promises. Principle number 4, automate and delegate. You can't do it all by yourself. Leverage technology and other people to help you scale your business and income. Use tools and systems that automate tasks like email marketing, social media management, and accounting. Additionally, hire freelancers or employees who can handle aspects of your business that you're not good at or don't enjoy doing. Lastly, principle number 5, be consistent and persistent. Becoming a millionaire is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication and hard work. Stay consistent in your actions and persistent in your efforts. Don't give up when faced with challenges or failures. Instead, learn from them and keep moving forward. Celebrate your wins and reward yourself for your progress along the way. And there you have it, the 5 principles to become a millionaire in 2024. Remember, it's all about creating multiple streams of income, investing in yourself, providing value to others, automating and delegating, and being consistent and persistent. If you apply these principles to your life, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep chasing your dreams.